Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have NF here with an older song. It's called Lie. Alright, so Lie, a strong song from NF like they always are pretty much. Strong lyrics and great sounding as well. We're gonna look at this song. No need for any capo here. Alright, and we have 5 different chords. No, actually 4. 4 chords, and that's what's up. So let's go into the chords, and we're gonna start with the A minor. Alright, so that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the F next, F chord, and that is a bar chord where you play the bar on the first fret. So you cover all strings there with the index finger, and then you need to add 3rd fret on A string, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have D minor next. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 1st E. And then the final chord will be E minor. And it goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, and then open strings down there. Open G, open B, and open E. This E minor will just have 1 kick on the bass string, so that is pretty much what you need, the bass strings for the E minor. And there you have all the chords, guys. So let's take a look at the strumming pattern here. So we're gonna start with A minor, and yeah, it's a pretty long one, so we're gonna divide it into 2 different parts to start with, and that's how we're gonna learn it. So if you grab the first chord, A minor, the first part of it will be down, down, up, clap. Okay, so down, down, up, clap. And then you continue with down, up, down, clap, down. So down, up, down, clap, down. And if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. That is 1 round. A couple round. Alright, so we're gonna put this song together now, and it will be in the same way from the beginning till the very end, and that's about 4 rounds that rolls in the same way. So the first 3 rounds is to play 1 full string round of A minor and 1 full string round of the F. You're gonna go back and forth for 3 rounds, and then on the 4th and final round you're gonna play D minor, and you're gonna play almost 1 full round. You're gonna play D minor down, down, up, clap, down, up, down. Okay, so just before the clap, you stop at the D minor. So D minor goes down, down, up, clap, down, up, down. And then you're just gonna go to E minor and give it 1 kick on the bass strings. And then you continue with 1 full round of F. And that ends the 4th round, and you're gonna start all over again with A minor F, A minor F, A minor F, then D minor, almost 1 full round, 1 on the E minor, 1 down, and then 1 full round on the F. And that's how it goes. I'm gonna play for you 1 full round. That means 4 rounds of all this. So let's go. That's how it goes, guys. So NF Lie. We have a lot of songs from NF here on Garden Guitar. So if you're a fan of him, make sure you subscribe to this channel. He will be back for sure. So thank you so much, guys, and play tuned.